We'll guide you through how to add links and an icon in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search field, type Google Chrome to locate the browser application on your device. Once it appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome browser. After the browser launches, click inside the URL bar, type Figma, and press Enter. From the search results, select the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before proceeding, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. For this tutorial, open one of your recent projects from the dashboard. Once selected, the edit page of your project will open and display the canvas along with all available layers. Next, locate the icon layer that you want to turn into a clickable link and select it. Click on the icon layer to make sure it is active. After selecting the layer, press Shift+A on your keyboard. This shortcut adds auto layout and places the selected layer inside a frame. Once the frame is created, move your cursor to the right side panel and open the Prototype tab. In the Prototype section, locate the Interactions area and click it to display the available interaction settings. From the options that appear, find the action setting. Change the action section to Open Link. After selecting this option, a field for entering a URL will become available. Enter the link that you previously saved into the link column. Once the link has been added, you can test the interaction to make sure it functions properly. Click the Preview button, usually located in the top right area of the interface. When the preview window opens, click the icon that you assigned the link to. If everything has been configured correctly, a new browser tab will automatically open and direct you to the specified web page through the link you entered.